Welcome back to your video 2. So we've already downloaded our document and now we're going to go to Career Coach. When you go to Career Coach, you're actually going to sign up. You're going to fill out all this information and you're going to create your profile. Once you have done that, I'm going to pause just for a second and I'll show you what it looks like. This is what it actually looks like for you when you've created this. This is not my accurate birthday because I just didn't put that in there accurately. I was not born in 2017. I can tell you that. That would make me a newborn. So what you will do is you will make this reflect you. I did not put a current major because I am not a student with a current major. So that's why that's not filled out. You can click edit and you can edit all this information and make it actually be accurate like that, because I actually was born in 1967. When you're finished, you click Save. So you're going to click Assessment. When you click Assessment, it's going to ask you which of these do you want to take. You are actually required to take the 60-question assessment. So as you're going through here, think about the type of things it's asking you to do. Like, would you like to build kitchen cabinets? Think about that. Do you like to build things? Do you like to work with your hands? If it's strongly disagree, then you answer that. If it's strongly agree, then you answer that, or somewhere in the middle. Lay brick or tile. So you're going to go through all of these questions. Once you're finished, you're going to get your results. These are my results that I'm sharing with you. So my top 3 traits are social, conventional, and enterprising. Not really a shocker because I work with the public, so I have to be social and kind of outgoing a little bit. Conventional, we're well organized, persistent, and practical. So that's a good thing too because I am a librarian by trade. Enterprising, we're self-confident, outgoing, and optimistic. So your traits are going to be different than mine possibly, or maybe they might be similar to mine. So what you're going to do is you're going to talk in this piece of paper here by clicking in this area, and you're going to answer these questions right underneath here. You're going to explain how your top 3 traits relate to your chosen field of study or career. So make sure that you're logged in to this Career Center, Career Coach, because it will save to your ID these traits like this. Okay? So once you have done that part and you've talked about these top 3 traits and how it relates to possibly the career that you want to choose, what you're going to do is view your career matches. And what happens is when you click that, it actually brings up things. Large topics here, not small topics, large topics. So education and training is one of my primary ones, and I could actually look here at teaching and training and see what actually falls in there. And it's all of these different types of teaching and things like that. Or I should say careers like that. And look, political science teacher, I do that as well, and that's a 97% match. That's pretty good. Now, I'm going to go back for a second and do education and training, and we're going to look at professional support services. And you can see that librarian here is around an 84% match. So the career test that you do really does explore your interests and really possibly will match you to a good career. Okay? I'm back on our handout that you saved to your computer. So in step 6, which is right here, you will write down information about your career. So you're going to, here in the overview, you're going to do the approximate income from your career choice. You're going to talk about daily tasks that you need to complete. And you're going to talk about why you would like this career and qualities that you possess that would make you successful in this type of career or work. I'm going to minimize this down here at the bottom, and I'm going to show you, for instance, for librarians. If I click this, it's going to give me the median salary. So this is kind of sort of what you would make nationally, and median is in the middle for a librarian. Okay? So we can look at the About tab right here, and it talks about the daily tasks that this person would need to do. In addition to that, it talks about your education that you would need. For librarians, in order to work at an educational institution like I do, you must have a master's degree. And you can see the vast majority of the jobs will require a master's degree in library science. After you complete this section, what we're going to do is go back to the LibGuide. And on the library guide, you will find a third video, which will be the next video I do, explaining about how to do the next section of this particular assignment.